Welcome back, Bambiinos. Today I'm just showing you all a quick video of how I do my nighttime routine while I'm using this Tretinoin. First, I'm starting out with washing my hands and adjusting a temperature that will be comfortable for my skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face so we can have a wet base. And now I'm taking the carbolic soap and lathering that as well, and then I apply that directly onto my face before lathering. Carbolic soap is good for acne, psoriasis, eczema, or anything like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and lather that into my skin, making sure I get all over so we can get all that dirt, and oil, and any excess debris or makeup if I've worn any that day. Normally I use my spin brush, but while I'm using Tretinoin, I am avoiding it because I don't want to cause any abrasion to my skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my face with warm water, making sure we rinse out all those suds. Be careful not to burn your eyes too. I'm going to go ahead and take a paper towel and pat my face dry. I like using paper towels because they reduce the amount of bacteria. Well, it eliminates the amount of bacteria as opposed to using a washcloth every day or the same one every day. And it's just easier. You use one and you dispose of it. Now that my skin's dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my DIY toner and a cotton round and just use that on my skin. And toners, as you already may know, they just balance out your skin and also remove any excess dirt that we didn't get when we were washing it with our face wash. Make sure you get your neck area too when you're cleansing. Your neck is just as important as your face. And after I tone, I like to take a few seconds just to make sure that my skin is dry before moving on to the next step. So now that my skin is dry, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize with some rosehip oil, which is great for acne prone skin. It's non-comedogenic and it's a lightweight moisturizer, so your skin won't be all oily. So I just take a few drops, put that into my fingertips, and massage that into my skin in an upward motion. And now that I'm moisturized with Tretinoin, it's recommended that you wait about 20 to 30 minutes before moving on to applying it. But before we do that, I just sprayed some rose water on my face. But yeah, this is the rose water that I use. This is the American Heritage. I don't know why I said American. It does not say American. This is the Heritage Store rose water and glycerin, and I use that. I just spray that after I moisturize with the rosehip oil. So now we're going to go ahead and move on now that it's been 20 minutes and apply the Tretinoin. I just take a pea-sized amount and I apply it to 4 sections of my face, my cheeks, forehead, and chin area. And once I apply that, I moisturize upward and in an outward motion, trying to avoid the creases and crevices of my face. So you don't want to get it in the corners of your mouth, the corners of your nose, or near your eyes. Those areas on your face are, I guess, thin parts of skin. So Tretinoin can be drying, so you don't want to dry out those areas because it can cause cracking and just, you know, overall disadvantage to those areas. But after that, we are done. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.